show you how to scramble eggs on the Blackstone. So we got our scrambled eggs here, and it's kind of tricky to scramble the eggs. But the first thing you got to do, have yourself one of these guys right here, and then of course you got to have a spatula. So I got my Blackstone nice and hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly pour, come around here, I'm going to slowly pour the eggs in a little at a time. I just try to keep them going and try to keep them from going down the drain over there, and they'll keep cooking. And the fresh eggs are cool enough that they'll keep the old eggs from burning. So as you put them on, you just keep scraping them up. You might end up losing a little bit in the vent or in the drain, but for the most part, that's all you gotta do is just keep going at it, a little at a time. If you keep them slow enough, they'll slow the other eggs down to where you don't have, had a little overrun there in the front. And there we go. So these will cook here in just a second to where I'll have to sit there and battle them to keep them out of the drain. Just like that. And that is how you, this is 12 eggs, so that's how you scramble 12 eggs on the Blackstone.